Me and figure out your style, them now. Oh, yo. You like you say things you so mean. Then you tell me say your things you don't mean. Baby, yeah. You say me and you a build we one team. Me get to find out you
do better than that. Say you will live, you do better than me. Say you will live, you better please. You know so me shake up. When you tell me you're leaving, me tell you if you go on cause you're fed up. But remember me turn you in a stance and I drop it standard, keep your head up. New brand be my just land on the highway, me can't pick a friend up. She a tell me upon her waist, man blow.
You're my Jamaican boy, more like my jam down toy. I trust you cause you bring me joy. You occupy my time like my employed. Ooh, and I'm addicted to you. Need you more than a new pair of shoes. Always have me in the mood. Well,
so I just reached and I'm waiting now to get picked up. Yeah, sit down. I don't see him anywhere. But
my queen, I'm proud of you and the things that you do. You're for me and I'm for you, my queen. Mama, have to make my mother proud. Have to make my mother proud, proud. Lift her name above.
alright, so hey guys, it's me again on our way to Portland, and we in God knows where. I think we in Ochi. I stopped off at a restaurant, but I'm trying so hard to keep vlogging. I'm trying really hard to at least make sure to vlog and look at the camera and not myself. But yeah, let me show you where we are, where I am. Yeah.
me nah normally chat me business, but I want you need crowd. From a day me a link with a boy, and me notice him think kinda loud. Me book up in a him profile when me dip on IG a browse. Here say him have a big body, yeah, but me not care. Me a take him with pro. Me a go back to him ball and lick him for 6 dream. Try post this quick, but me.
Sometimes who cause you pain in that same circle that you breathe. Sometimes anybody with nothing in my life just get them out.
Say hi, Molly. Say hi.
Lord,
Turn around.
no. Look at my head. What is wrong with you?
Turn around, love.
Girl, look at my head.
You don't miss me.
You are a horrible, horrible person.
You don't miss me.
Saying that I miss you.
Hi to the hi vlog. So I just reached to my auntie's house. This is my cousin right there. Okay, let me start that over. Hi vlog. I just reached to my auntie's house, Auntie Judy's house. That's my cousin right there. Yep. She's gonna be the camera woman behind all the beautiful shots this summer. Yeah, I'm trying really hard to vlog as much as I can. I'm not good at vlogging, but I'll try my best. And Malik will hold me accountable for Uno, right? Yep. Alright. I bet you're gonna love me when I show her that I have chicken in my bag. Yeah, see how fast our head turned? Yeah, I have chicken. Let me go grab it. Let me pause it. Why is this thing on me? What's it? Our boobs. Cleavage. Big old cleavage.
That video, my underarm even wants to shave. What is wrong with you? That girl, man.
She just poop in our face. Oh my gosh. Alright, so me and Malik. Malik, tell them what we're gonna do.
We're going to KFC. That's where we're going.
You can't be more descriptive. Ugh. You can't see me because I'm
Dark.
dark. You're the same color as me, ho.
Yeah.
So we're gonna walk a little bit and then you hear a dog? Oh no.
My dog died.
Your dog died?
Yeah.
Did I meet him? Is he the one from... Oh god, they can't see a thing. I don't know if I should keep talking so you guys can listen to... What's your... Who is that? Ooh, lighting, thank you. Let me stop. Well, when did he die? Last one? Last week? He heard I was coming, so... Alright, good night guys. I'm just here to say that I'm going to sleep. I'm really, really tired. Today was travel day. So hopefully I could come up with more fun stuff for us to do. I just brushed out my hair and it's looking like super duper thick. Like it's, look at that. You can't even see it. It's huge. It's actually really huge. See? The humidity really took its toll, but anyways, I came here to say good night. Good night. Bye.
Loud. Million phone light every time me go live on stage, that's the way me live. But no texting matter, fuck no phone.